Hello, fellow developers. Coming from QCon in San Francisco, I wanted to get this latest feature out to you as soon as possible. This is the ability to generate your best practices file in your IDE. This is going to help you when you're doing your Qodo Gen chat to give the best practices so you don't have to keep on typing those, and it's a good guide for everyone else that are writing the code. So for your tests or even your code for doing solid principles, you can put all of those in your project. But what this does is this best practices, if I go ahead and pick it and hit enter, it's going to go ahead and generate a best practices file to get you started. You can use this, and then it's up to you to keep on adding to it. You're iterating over it, what works for you, but this is what's going to be used when you're doing your different commands using Qodo Gen Chat. So I have it completed there, and now I'm going to go ahead and just click on the three ellipses up on the right and say copy message as markdown. Now what I do with that is I'm going to create a new file and call it bestpractices.md and add that to my project and paste it in. So now I have that file, and I'm going to paste that file in there. Let me go ahead and get that in the right text area. And there we go. So now I can go here and review this MD file, and you see these are all the generated best practices. So we have a bot or an agent that's going to go through your project and review all of it and come up with what it thinks is the best practices that you're using in your current project. And again, you can alter this or update it afterwards. Thank you so much, and happy coding with Qodo.